Hey guys, we're here. Got a call for R2 number 6 fire alarm panel. They were saying that it was showing some sort of alarm, but we're gonna go check it out and see what we got going on. Here we are at the unit. It's a Linux. Going here, we got a core board. I'm not sure what they're saying on the fire panel. The fire panel is clear, doesn't have any alarms referencing the RTU units. This smoke detector seems to be fine. It's flashing green. I did have a alarm for smoke detector alarm, and that was like at the beginning of the month, but and it also has another code for a rollout, which I'm gonna reset because this thing's gas or electric heat. And so I think what we're gonna do is probably, because these things can false alarm for being dirty, I think we're gonna just change out the smoke detector sensor, which I have one right there. I had one on my truck, so, and that is right over here in the return. So we're gonna change that out and get that taken care of. Filters look decent. I mean, they were just changed. So let me get that and we'll make this happen. So we'll go right here, we'll shut it off and lock it out. Alright, so we got her locked out now. Right there, we'll check some power and make sure, coming in right there, and make sure that there's no power. Alright, so we're gonna check it right here, make sure we don't have any power. It's 0 volts. Yep, looks good there. L1, L2, L1, L3, and then we'll check across that. That one's good. So no power. We can go ahead and replace the smoke detector sensor. Let's go over here, grab it real quick. Let's grab this. So we're gonna change that, and hopefully that'll keep it from doing what it was doing. So let's get this thing out of here. Gotta unplug the plug. It's only 2 screws. And then pop those out, and then doesn't really matter, so pop in there. Make sure that we don't have an issue. What happened? There it is. We got it. So we'll try to get that one in there. So that looks good. So we got that. We can plug this back up. All right. So, I mean, it's a little dirty, but nothing crazy. And there's some dirt and stuff in there. That's where it, if that sensor gets dirty, it will false alarm. So it's something that happens all the time, especially in this store. with all the chemicals and stuff like that, it causes an issue. So let's get it. Start it back up. Let's unlock our lock. Board is going to take a minute, and we'll get rid of that 53, 54 alarm for the rollout. There's a setting in the board that wasn't quite right. We got a variable speed compressor, only one. The rest of them are single speeds. VFD right there. That seems to be working fine. So that's flashing green. So we'll give that 7 minutes because it takes 7 minutes for a trouble code to come up if there is one. So we'll wait for this to come on and we'll get into the app and make sure everything's good. Alright, we're gonna try to get into this. I've seen them have issues before. There's a tamper switch in here, and I've seen where the factory, there's our tamper switch, and I've seen where the factory, nope, that's all tight. This isn't flashing, so I don't know if this is an issue or not. So we may have had one that just doesn't work. There we go. Not sure, must be a bad sensor. Alright, so I expect that this sensor was bad, so I just got another one and let's see what happens. Or for some reason don't know what's going on. So, all right, guys, we figured it out. We were having an issue with this smoke detector. Replaced it. It was still giving us the same issue. It was flashing an amber, which is maintenance, which it wasn't doing earlier until I changed that. But come to find out, all these screws here for the sensor in this smoke detector module was loose, and it wasn't getting good connection. Tighten all those up, and now we're good to go. So hopefully we won't have any more false alarms on the fire panel or any troubles either. All right, thank you guys for watching, and keep it HVACing.